Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can open the settings panel, which are in the right upper corner. So simply tap on this three bars icon and let's take a look at this second panel with options, and it is connected to the timer. So we've got actually 4 different options to choose from. You can keep it turned off. We've got 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to set. It will be highlighted. If you can see this yellow or orangish almost color around it, it means that it has been set. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, it will work the same with all other options, so 5 seconds and 3 seconds delay. So for example, 3 seconds delay, and right now it is counting down from 3. Of course, we can turn off this option whenever you want to. Just tap on this clock icon, and since it is in this gray color around it, let's say, your device will take photos almost right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.